Express one quantity as a percent of other. Now one quantity as the percent of the other. So in this topic, let us see the question first, then I'll give the statement how to do all the type of problems in single way. So for example, express 40 paisa as a percent of rupees 6. 40 paisa are to express as the percent of rupees 6. That is one quantity as a percent of the other, right? So in this, as per the previous method, first it can make as the fraction, then fraction to percentage. Now 40 paisa as the percentage of, now rupees 6 also should be in same unit. So 600 paisa. That means 40 paisa as the percentage of 600 paisa. Then first fraction. So according to this question, the fraction we can make 40 paisa out of 600. 40 paisa. So just note of writing same units now, 40 by 600. You can write into simplest form. 0 0 cancel. 4 times 1, 15. So 1 by 15 is a fraction. Fraction to convert into the percentage, just you have to multiply with 100. So 1 by 15 into 100. To convert this into percentage, keep the percentage symbol. Now simplify this more. 15 and 100. 5 3s of 520. So 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3 percentage, or 6 2 by 3. 2 6 18 plus 2. 20, right? So convert into mixed fraction. 40 paisa as a percentage of rupees 6 is 6 2 by 3 percentage, right? Now one thing we can conclude based on this one statement. If two quantities, if it can take two quantities, so this you can remember to note it. If two quantities say x and y are the same unit, when it is the same unit only we can use this rule. Now say x and y are the same unit, then first one, x as percent of y, one way, or else second one is y as percent of x. First one, x as percent of y means x divided by y into 100. Simplify, keep the percentage symbol. Next, y as percentage of x, percent of x. So y by x into 100. Okay, this is the way you can express one quantity as the percent of the other. Okay. This part you can remember. And let us see one more question based on this. Not only one quantity to other, some group of quantities are given. For example, let's take 400 grams sugar, some quantities, and say 200 grams, 200 grams of eggs. Weight it is, weight I'm taking. Then 800 grams of flour, 400 grams of sugar, 800 grams of eggs. Okay, 200 grams of eggs and 800 grams of the flour. And let's take 100 grams of dry fruits. Now the question is, what percent of sugar is present in the whole? So what percentage of the sugar? In this, is supposed to find out percentage of the sugar in this out of 4. Percentage of the sugar. That means take the sugar quantity. So that is 400 by total quantity. So total, if you do addition of all this, 400, 200, 6, 6 plus 8, again plus 100. So altogether you have to add. So 6 and 14 plus 1, 15. 1500 grams is the total. So only if they're asking only percentage of sugar quantity. So weight of the sugar by total 1500 into 100. This is the fraction part. 400 out of 1500 into 100 you convert into the percentage. Just to simplify this, 100 times 15, 400 by 15. Use this 5 table. 5 3 is 580. 80 divided by 3. 80 divided by 3 percentage. Convert into mixed fraction, 26 2 by 3 percentage. Right? So in this way we can make one quantity as a percentage of other. So you can remember this statement. Which one is asking first? That should be on the numerator. Percent of what value or what quantity? That is in denominator. To convert into the percentage, multiply the 100 and simplify. Okay, this is the way. Then let us see some problems based on how to find the percentage of the quantity.